Okay, see the sun hat.
Well, mine is a 1/2 inch seam allowance all the way around.
Yeah.
It would be like this side there. What do you want to do? We can make it less. If you want. No, you want to leave it like that?
More.
You want? I can't make it longer.
Oh no. Less is in like. I meant
So you want more like this? If I take 1/2 inch off from around it.
like,
Oh, this is really hot.
mm-hmm.
Okay, guys, we're gonna watch important videos while I eat this. Oh no. No. Nice. Ooh. That one's way too long, man. Everyone just come in, we're watching the important videos playlist while I eat this. Yes, please. Sure. Mm. Take this one. Yeah.
Need my help.
Uh-oh. About to start the music back up. I was like, why is everything so quiet?
Here's the other earbud. Mm-hmm.
Hey. Sewing machine trying to misbehave. Anyone just come in? We're making a bucket hat. Almost done sewing the brim onto the lining. There we are. Alright, so before I continue, we're gonna cut off about half an inch off the brim because he thinks it's too long the side here, and the people in the reviews for this pattern were saying the same thing. They said it was a little too sun hat like. And if I do think that it should be staying like that, I'm gonna do it to the pattern as well. I had a moment where I was like, did he close the door before going to take a shower? I was like, because I could hear the water so clearly. It sounded like the door was open, but it's not. Don't worry. Don't want to get banned off Twitch, you know? The only annoying part about this is that it's a freaking circle. Oh, hey, get this camera out of my face. Okay.